In today's fast-paced and highly competitive world, small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, face significant challenges in maintaining their market share and profitability. One way to address this is by adopting smart factory technology. However, the high cost and complexity of such technology can make it a daunting proposition for SMEs. That's where the concept of the appropriate smart factory comes in. This approach is all about finding a method that is cost-effective and scalable, and that can be tailored to the specific needs of the SME question. By focusing on what is essential, affordable, simple, and interoperable or easy, the appropriate smart factory can help SMEs harness the benefits of smart factory technology without breaking the bank or overwhelming their operations. The first key element of the appropriate smart factory is essential. This means that the technology adopted should have only the essential functions required by the SMEs. Overspecifying the technology can lead to unnecessary costs and complications, making the system harder to operate and maintain. By identifying the core requirements of the business, companies can avoid investing in more powerful, more expensive technology than they need. The second element is affordable, and it is all about balancing the costs and benefits of smart factory technology. As SMEs often have limited resources, they must be able to justify the investment in terms of a solid return on investment, ROI. By ensuring that the technology's financial burden is within the company's reach, it becomes more sustainable in the long term. The third element is simple, which is all about ease of use. If the technology or infrastructure required is too complex, the SME will struggle to operate and maintain it. By choosing technology with a simple system configuration and intuitive operation and maintenance processes, companies can avoid the need for additional personnel and training, streamlining the integration process. Finally, interoperability ensures that the technology adopted is compatible with existing systems and equipment. This helps reduce the costs associated with introducing new technology and prevents the need for additional infrastructure, hardware, or training. By adopting a system that is independent of the hardware, operation system, sensor type, data structure, and communication standard, SMEs can seamlessly integrate their smart factory technology without any disruptions. In conclusion, the appropriate smart factory is a concept that offers SMEs a pathway to smart factory technology that is affordable, essential, simple, and interoperable. By adopting a technology that is tailored to their needs and situation, SMEs can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve competitiveness, enabling them to thrive in today's business landscape. We, as Combinator LLC, is to provide a credible smart factory solution that is in line with the appropriate smart factory concept. Our solutions are tailored to the specific needs of SMEs and are designed to be essential, affordable, simple, and interoperable, making it easier for SMEs to adopt smart factory technology and compete in today's business landscape. PLS, contact us if you have any question on this. @combinator.kr